This modern Scandinavian home shows how premium furniture, custom details, and luxury finishes can elevate a space. Every element is carefully selected to create a refined and comfortable home. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas, you get a real plan that fits you. So, you want to have good interior design? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. Starting with the living area, the space feels more luxurious through carefully selected furniture pieces. Then, the dining area. The dining setup combines function with premium finishes. Moving into the kitchen, custom elements create a cleaner and more sophisticated look. This home shows how thoughtful selections and premium details can transform a space. Every piece has a purpose, creating a modern Scandinavian interior that feels refined, comfortable, and complete. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp.